So out of all the other CRMs that I've utilized in my career, Nutshell is my favorite, period. Well, my name is Matt. I'm with Patrick Services. We are a mobile maintenance company that's been serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area for about 54 years. And what we kind of focus on is diesel repairs, trailer repairs, anything with a commercial fleet that includes tires and on-site repairs and maintenance. The main focus that we have with Nutshell is, of course, one is just making sure that we have the proper contacts in here. And the entire team utilizes Nutshell here because our operations team relies so much on having the correct person to reach out to, since we deal with other companies from out of state that just aren't local. And it's our account managers' jobs to go out there and make sure that we have a proper contact, because the market changes all the time. So having the right contact information is the number one reason why we're utilizing Nutshell. Is just customer information. And then our second biggest one is, of course, driving our product, making sure that our companies that we do business with, they know what we're doing, what kind of campaigns that we're currently running. And if we rolled out new pricing or new sales, we utilize Nutshell to go through and make sure everyone has our updated information. That way there's no surprises. That they do call us, they know exactly what services that we're currently offering at that point in time versus, hey, we're not there yet. So on your, when you actually create a lead and then you go into the portal where it's actually the page for the lead, there's so much more information now that I have in regards to that one sales process. So my boss and then the account managers, even the operations team, who, if the customer doesn't call me, of course, they'll call the shop. And then they will know where they're at, if they're just calling for some information or if they're coming here to close the deal. And if they do that, they'll notify me, hey, we have a transaction, you can close this one and we need to reopen it with something else now. Nutshell has really addressed any kind of concerns that I've had with your updates. It's like y'all have already beaten me to the punch on, I kind of wish that we were able to do this, and then boom. 6 months, 3 or 4 months later, all of a sudden there would be an update, and then you would offer that.